Hello everyone, I welcome all of you to my YouTube channel Basics of Computer Engineering. In today's video, we will be learning in-depth concepts about do-while loop. In my last two YouTube videos, I have explained the concept of for loop and while loop. For and while loop are pre-tested loop and do-while is a post-tested loop. In pre-tested loops, the block is executed only and only if the condition is true. But in post-tested loop, our block is executed at least for once and then the condition is checked. So first execution takes place and then the condition is checked. Before starting with example, let us look at the definition of do-while loop. In do-while, our do block is executed once before the testing of the condition. Next, our while block is executed according to the specified condition. Let us now start with our first question, which is to display alphabets using the do-while loop. To begin our program with hash include angular bracket stdio.h. In the next line we will be writing hash include angular bracket conio.h. Then I will be writing void space main parenthesis and then I will be making use of opening curly braces to start my program. Now I am declaring a variable ch in which I am assigning the value of a and it is of character data type. In the next line, I will directly write the word do and by making use of curly braces, I will write here printf and then I will display the word a by using %c and then writing the variable name ch. Then by making use of increment operator, I will increment the value of the variable ch. This will be done by making use of two plus signs and then I will close the curly braces. Now I will start with my while block by writing the word while and specifying the condition as till ch is lesser than or equal to z. Then again I will be displaying the characters by making use of printf statement, %c and then variable name ch. Then I will be concluding my program by making use of two closing curly braces. Now let us compile the program and check the output. Now let us start with our second question, which is iterating the same line with incremented value at each step. This program will be done by making use of do-while concept. So let us start with it. We will start our program with hash include angular bracket stdio.h. Then we will be writing hash include angular bracket conio.h. Then I will write void space main parenthesis and then I will be making use of opening curly braces to start my program. Now I am declaring variable I of integer data type with value as 0 in this. Then I am directly writing the word do and then by making use of printf statement a text message will be displayed on the screen saying that value of variable I is %d. In the next line by making use of increment operator I am incrementing the value of variable I. This is done by making use of two plus signs. To shift the content of each step at next line, I am using /n. After that, I am writing the word while and in bracket I am specifying my condition that till I is lesser than or equal to 3, return 0 and my block has to be executed. To close my program, I will be using closing curly braces. Now let us compile our program and check the output. The same sentence has been iterated 4 times with incremented value of variable I. Now let us start with another program in which we will be looking while loop and do while loop at same time. We will start our program with hash include angular bracket stdio.h. Then we will be writing hash include angular bracket conio.h. Then I will be writing void space main parenthesis and then we will be making use of opening curly braces to start our program. Now I am declaring a variable I which is assigned with value 0 and it is of integer data type. First we will be looking at while loop. So I will directly write the word while and in bracket I will specify my condition as I is equal to 1, then execute the block of printf statement. Text message displayed will be hello. Then by making use of closing curly braces I am ending my while block. After that again by making use of printf statement I will write a word no. At last I will end my program by making use of closing curly braces. Now let us compile our program to check the output. It was clearly visible that the output was only no. Let us understand the concept of this program in depth. Here in 6th line we have already assigned a value as 0 to our variable I. and then when in our 7th line we are writing the condition as I equal to 1, this is obviously a false condition. So our while block won't be executed. When we will compile our program, the compiler will check the condition. If the condition is false, then the while block won't be executed because the compiler will turn to the next line, which is the 11th line, and this is outside the while block. Compiler will exit the while block and execute the part which is after that. So here in the 11th line, it says to display the word as no. Hence, only a text message displaying no has been displayed on our output screen. Let us now understand the same program with the concept of do while loop. Here we will delete all this part, and directly in the 7th line I will write the word as do, and then by making use of opening curly braces I will start my do block. Here I will be writing the word as hello by using printf statement, and then I will close the curly braces. This means that I have ended my do block. After that, in the next line I will directly write the word while, and I will specify my condition as I double equal to 1, and then by making use of opening curly braces I will start my while block and display the message as no in printf statement. Then I will close the while block by making use of closing curly braces. To end my final program, I will again use closing curly braces. The output is clearly visible on our screen after the compilation process. Next, I have enlisted few points which are the difference between while and do while loop. After the completion of this, we have reached the end of our video. So guys, thank you for watching the video. Do share it, like it, and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more updates.